Now we are going to talk about challenges in interpretation. Challenges in interpretation include ambiguity, means texts can be changed in ambiguity with multiple possible meanings, would have contextual complexity in which we are understanding his historical, cultural, and social context. Linguistic complexity means dealing with the complex language structure, idioms, and metaphors. Cultural differences, understanding cultural references and allusions and nuisances. Historical distances, understanding the text, historical context, and evolution. Authoritical intent, which determining the author's intended meaning. Reader's perspective mean having the considering the reader's cultural, having the historical and personal background. Power dynamics means recognizing how power relation influence interpretations. Ideology basis means having the acknowledging personal biases and trying to overcome them. Ethical considerations in being mindful of ethical issues and such as ethicals and cultural appropriations. Balancings, analysis, and intuitions means finding a balance between the analytical rigor and intuitive insights. Dealings with contradictions means resolving apparent contradictions within the text. So, to overcome these challenges, interpreters use various strategies such as close readings, historical and cultural research, contextual analysis, comparisons with other texts, consulting commentaries and expert opinions, reflecting on their own biases and assumptions, engaging in dialogue with others, considering multiple perspectives, being aware of their own cultural and historical context, being open to revising their interpretations based on new information or insight. So, what is a difference? Cultural context. See, different cultural contexts can impact interpretation in various ways. Like language. See, in this, words and phrases can have different meaning in different cultures. Customs and traditions means cultural practice and traditions and influence can influence interpretations. Values and beliefs. See, in this, cultural values and beliefs can shape interpretations. Historical context means historical events and cultural movements can impact interpretations. Social norms. Social norms and expectations can influence interpretation. Religious. Religious beliefs and practices can impact interpretation. Symbolisms. See, symbols and metaphors can have different meanings in different culture. Non-verbal communication. See, non-verbal cues like body language and facial expressions can vary across cultures. Contextualizations. Cultural context and influences how text is understood and applied. Power dynamic. Cultural power dynamic can impact interpretation and application. To account for different cultural contexts, interpreters can research the cultural context and consult the people from the culture. Be aware of their own cultural biases, consider multiple perspectives, use cultural sensitive language, avoid challenges and cultural appropriation, be open to feedback and corrections, recognize cultural nuisances, use contextualizations, embrace cultural humanity. So, by acknowledge and respecting cultural differences, and interpreters can strive for more accurate and cultural sensitive interpretations. So, what do you mean by subjective nature of interpretation? See, the subject nature of interpretations refer to the personal and individual perspective that influence how one understand and interpret text. So, leading to diverse interpretation, the subjectivity arises from personal experiences, cultural background, historical context, and social environment. Individual beliefs and values, worldview, educational background, intellectual biases, emotional responses, contextual factors. So these all the factors have the subjective means that interpretations is not a purely objective or scientific process, but rather a dynamic and the personal engagement with the having the test and acknowledging this subjectivity is essential, as it is encourage humility and openness to other perspectives, recognize the complexities of human understanding, foster empathy and understanding of diverse interpretations, promote critical thinking and reflection, highlights the importance of context and background informations, encourage and collaboration and dialogue, acknowledges the role of power and privilege in the shaping interpretation, emphasizes the needs for ongoing learning and growth, celebrates the richness of multiple perspectives, embrace the dynamic nature of interpretation. So, by recognizing the subjective nature of interpretation, we can engage in more informed nuisance and respectful discussions and debate. So, what do you mean by cultural differences? See, in this, it is a play a significant role in shaping our perspective and interpretations. Some key cultural differences that impact interpretations, which include high context versus low context culture, and individualistics and collective cultures, direct and indirect communication styles, hierarchical and egalitarian cultures, phallistics and phallalistics cultures, linear and non-linear thinkings, verbal and non-verbal communications, emotional impressions and resident, formality and informality, spiritual or religious release. So these cultural differences can influence language and vocabulary, non-verbal cues in body language, values and beliefs, social norms and expectations, historical context and perspectives, symbolisms and metaphorical meanings, contextualization and applications, power dynamics and authority, emotional responses and empathy, and learning styles and education. So, recognizing and respecting cultural differences is crucial for effective communication, collaboration, and interpretations. So, by acknowledging and understanding these differences, we can avoid cultural misunderstandings, foster empathy and understanding, enhance collaboration and teamwork, improve communication effectiveness, develop more accurate interpretations, promote cultural competence and awareness, value diversity and inclusivity, and encourage global understanding and cooperations, support effective cross-cultural communication, celebrate the richness of cultural diversity. So, what do you mean by subjectivity of interpretations? See, the subjectivity of interpretations refers to the personal and individual perspective that influences how one understands and interpret informations, leading to diverse interpretation. The subjectivity is inherent in various aspects, including personal experience and biases, cultural and social background, historical context and timings, individual beliefs and values, worldview and perspectives, educational background and knowledge, intellectual biases and assumptions, emotional responses and intuitions, contextual factors and environmentals, language and linguistic nuances. So this subjectively means the interpretation is not purely objective or scientific process, but rather a dynamic and personal engagement with informations. Acknowledging this subjectivity is essential as this foster empathy and understanding of diverse perspectives, critical thinking and reflection, collaboration and dialogue, ongoing learning and growth, nuisance and informed discussions, recognitions of the complexities of human understanding, humility and openness to alternative interpretations, celebrations of diverse perspective and insights, aware of power dynamics and leverage, embracing the dynamic nature of interpretation. So, by acknowledging the subjectivity of interpretations, we can engage in more informed nuisance and respectful discussions and debates. So, what do you mean by impact of subjectivity? The impact of subjectivity on interpretation is significantly leading to diverse perspective and interpretation, personal biases and assumption influencing understanding, contextual factors shaping interpretations, emotional responses, intuitions influencing interpretation, cultural and social background influencing understanding, historical context and timing impacting interpretations, individual experiences and beliefs shaping interpretations, language and linguistic nuances affecting understanding, power dynamics and leverage influencing interpretations, ongoing revisions and refinements of interpretations. So, subjectivity in interpretations also have implications for communication and collaborations, decisions making and problem solving, conflict resolutions and negotiations, personal and professional relationship, learning and education, research and scholarship, artistic and creative expressions, ethical and moral decisions making, political and social discourage, personal growth and self-awareness. Acknowledging the impact of subjectivity in interpretation is essential for empathy and learning, critical thinking and reflection, effective communication and collaboration, informed decision making, personal and professional development, nuanced and informed discussions, recognitions of complexity and ambiguity, humility and openness to alternative perspectives, celebrate of diverse perspective and insight, continuous learning and growth. So how do you ensuring accuracy? See, in this, you can ensuring accuracy is interpretations which involves verifying information through multiple sources, consulting expert and specialists, analyzing context and historical background, considering multiple perspectives and biases, evaluating evidence and argument objectivity, avoiding assumptions and jumping to the conclusions, being aware of one's own growth, biases and limitations, using clear and precise language, regularly updating knowledge and having training, encourage feedback with the criticisms, embracing a growth and learning from mistakes, and having the different mindset, using technology and tools to support accuracy. So by following these steps and these strategies, interpreters can increase the accuracy of their interpretations and ensure that their understanding is as precise and reliable as possible. So what do you mean by consulting multiple sources? So consulting multiple sources is a crucial steps in ensuring accuracy in interpretations. So this involves researching and gathering. See, if you research and gathering more information in diverse sources, evaluate the credibility and reliability of each source, analyzing and comparing different perspectives and informations, verifying factors and have data through cross the validations, considering the both primary and secondary sources, consulting experts and specialists in relevant fields, examining original texts, documents, and data, reviewing historical context and background information, using search engines and databases to find relevant information, consulting multiple transactions and interpretations if applicable. So, by consulting multiple sources, interpreters can gain more comprehensive understanding, identify biases and inaccuracies, increase the reliability of their interpretations, develop a more nuanced and informed perspectives, enhance the credibility of their interpretation, reduce the risk of errors and misinterpretations, improve the accuracy and validity of their interpretations, demonstrate commitment to rigorous research and analysis, ensure a more accurate representations of the original message, facilitates more effective communication and understanding. So, what do you mean by critical evaluation? So, critical evaluation is a systematic process of analyzing and assessing the quality, validity, and relevance of informations, arguments, or interpretations. It involves identifying biases and assumptions, analyzing evidence and arguments objectively, evaluating the credibility of sources, considering alternative perspective and interpretations, assessing the logical coherence and consistency of argument, recognizing and challenging one's own biases and assumptions, considering the context and historical background, evaluating the methodology and methods used, assessing the implications of consequences of interpretations, and synthesizing the information to form a comprehensive understanding. So, critical evaluation is essential in various fields, which includes academia and research, critical thinking and problem solving, decision makings and having the policy analysis, journalism and media analysis, legal and forensic analysis, scientific inquiry and research, philosophy and ethics, business and financial analysis, healthcare and medical research, everyday life, and personal decision making. So, by engaging in critical evaluation, individuals can make informed decisions, solve complex problems, and develop a deeper understanding of complex issues. So why choosing reliable sources? See, choosing reliable sources is a crucial in research, interpretation, and decision making. So consider the following factors to improve the and evaluate the reliability of sources. So first is authority. See, in this, check the author's expertise, qualification, and credentials. Objectivity. Look for source with minimal biases and a balanced perspective. Accuracy. Verify facts and data through cross validations. Relevance. Ensure the source is relevant to your topic or question. Currently, consider the publication data and having whether the information is up to date. Peer review. Prefer sources that have undergone peer review or editorial signatory. Published reputations. Consider reputation of the publisher or organizations. Purpose. Determine the purpose of the source, education and informative persuasive. Audience. Consider intended audience and whether the source is appropriate for your needs. Transparency. Look for the source with clear and methodologically data and assumptions. Reliable source includes academic journals, government reports, primary source, historical, for example, documents and data, and reputative news organizations, non-profit organizations, educational institutions, peer-reviewed articles, scholarly books, official statistics, experts' opinions, and from the qualified professional. So, by choosing reliable sources, you can ensure the accuracies, validity, credibility of your research, interpretation of decision-making process. So, how do you consulting multiple sources? See, if you're consulting multiple sources, you can also, it's having the essential in research interpretations and having the decision making, so it allows you to verify information through cross validations, get a comprehensive understanding of the topic, identify basis of and limitations, consider diverse perspective and opinions, evaluate the credibility of sources, develop a more accurate and nuanced understandings, avoid relying on signal potentially flawed sources, increase the reliability of your findings, enhance the validity of your arguments, make more informed decisions. So consulting multiple sources, it's also help you to identify patterns and trends, recognize inconsistencies and contradictions, develop a more detailed, informed understanding, improve the accuracy of your interpretations, enhance your critical thinking skills, demonstrate academic integrity and rigor, support your arguments with credible evidences. But a stronger foundation for your research and decision making is to reduce the risk of errors and misinterpretations. So increase your confidence in your findings and decisions. So remember, consulting multiple sources is a crucial step in ensuring the accuracy, validity, and reliability of your research, interpretation, or decision making process. So at last, I just want to conclude. I already discussed about choosing reliable sources. Now I just want to conclude in this, interpretation is a complex process that requires careful consideration of various factors, which include cultural context, personal biases, and subjective nature of understanding. To ensure accuracy and reliability is essential to consult multiple sources and evaluate source critically. Consider diverse perspectives, avoid assumption and biases, vary information through cross validations, use clear and precise language, regularly update knowledge and training, encourage feedback and criticisms, embrace a growth mindset and learn from mistakes, use technology and tools to support accuracy. So, by following these strategies, interpreters can increase the accuracy and validity to their interpretations, ensuring a more nuisance and informed understanding of the informed being conveyed. Ultimately, effective interpretation is essential for clear communications, informed decision making, and deeper understanding of the world around us. Thank you.